The value of true close friendships. A deep dive. Human connections are the most significant parts of our lives. Today, we will explore the value of true close friendships. A true close friend is more than just someone you hang out with. They're the ones you turn to in moments of joy, sadness, confusion, or even when you just need to vent. They understand you in ways no one else does, becoming a significant part of your life. Close friendships can improve our overall well-being. Having someone who truly understands and supports you can boost your self-esteem and reduce stress. Close friends can also provide a sense of belonging and purpose, vital for mental health. Close friendships can create lasting bonds that endure despite time or distance. These relationships can bring joy, richness, and a sense of stability in our lives. Close friends stand by you through thick and thin. They're there during moments of crisis, offering emotional support, advice, or just a comforting presence. This type of connection often strengthens our resilience and ability to cope with life's difficulties. True close friendships are built on shared experiences and mutual trust. They offer a safe space for us to express ourselves without fear of judgment, enabling us to grow as individuals. Cherish your true close friends, for they are indeed a precious part of your journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Join us in the next episode where we'll explore more aspects of personal growth and human connections.
We're happy to bring you this valuable information and also to make you aware that I am a Medicare agent. I'm a veteran serving seniors and veterans. Senior Health Corp serving the needs of seniors and veterans because I'm an independent agent and I work for you, not the insurance company. If you or someone you know needs help with Medicare, I'm licensed in New York, Florida, and North Carolina, and soon to be licensed in other states. So remember me when someone talks about Medicare. Thanks again. See you on the next video.